What's good? So boom, let me tell you how I do my skits, man. It's a decoy. It's a decoy, like a fake phone, I guess. But yeah though, man. So boom, I use this right here. Set my phone on this. Then I set it sideways like this, y'all. Cause it's better sideways. Then boom, I stand right here. I stand in front. Whoa. I stand in front of it, y'all. Then I just do my talking, you feel me? Do my little acting, you feel me? Then I stop it. When I stop it, when I'm done with all the video acting out all that, I go to CapCut. CapCut, C-A-P-C-U-T, CapCut. I use that for my voiceover, man. For real. So I do the voiceover. Then after that, that's all. You feel me? So yeah, I set my phone. I set it like this though. Like this, no, but the camera front though. It's the front camera. I use the front. I use the back camera. I mean, not the front. But yeah, that's how I do my skits though, man. So it ain't hard. You want to learn how to go and use CapCut for the voiceover? They got the voiceovers. So pretty much. So that's all. I was out here doing skits. You feel me? You feel me? It looking good out here. Doing skits. Go back to the house. Getting hot, but sure, that's how I do them though. Do my stand right here, you feel me? I just acting out, like, I be like this. Like that, you feel me? How I look out here, man? It's looking good though, man. Whew. But yeah, my arms are tired, but sure. That's how I do it though, man. That's how I do my skits. Use this thing right here, man. This little tripod. At first, I ain't had no tripod at first. I used to, I don't know how. I wasn't out here using no tripod. I don't know how. I used to pop it up on a tree. On the tree or something before I bought this. This a big kelp though, y'all. For real. But so, yeah, download CapCut. That's how I do my voiceover. You feel me? Yeah. Voiceover with CapCut. I show CapCut do the voiceover. Y'all want to hear me talk in my voiceover talk? But there you go. Hey, my boy. Hey, my boy. Oh yeah. For real. Okay now, my boy. Okay now. There's one thing y'all never seen me talk, like the voice in the background. Y'all never seen me talking to voices on my videos in person. Out of my mouth, only in the background, but silly. Oh yeah, my boy. That's how I be talking, man. I be loud though, but sure. After I record my little videos, I go sit down somewhere out here. I don't like doing standing up. I go sit down, do the voiceovers. I be thirsty sometimes, but sure, I get through it, you feel me? But sure, that's how I did the voiceovers. I did that. After that, I'm done. But sure, that's all, man. All I have to say. Sure, made this far. I appreciate y'all. Subscribe if you new. Y'all know what to do, man. I do skits. Y'all gonna see now. And just subscribe right here. New video right here. All right, y'all, man. I'm out, y'all.